Hello students, today we learn about some more problems depending on percentages. Okay, here the question is write the following fractions as percentages. Already in the previous class I said about the fractions. Any fraction we want to convert into a percentage means just we multiply the fraction with 100. Okay, now we will see the problem how to do. Okay, so this is 5 by 8 into 100. Okay, any cancellations are there, we'll cancel. See, 100 is the even number, 8 is also a even number, and also 8 and 100 both are the multiples of 4. So we can cancel these two numbers with 4. 4 2s are 4 25, sir. Okay, 4 2s are and 4 25, sir. So now what we do, any more cancellations are there? No. So 5 into 25 by 2. 5 into 25 is 125. 5 25s are 125 if you multiply by 2. Okay, so we divide these two. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Now what is the number? 5. 2 2s are 4. So remainder is 1. So we take the decimal. So whenever we take the decimal, we take the 0. Okay, so that becomes 10. So 2 5s are 10. Maybe while I am doing the division with the direct method, you are not understanding. See, this is 125 with 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Okay, remainder is 0. Okay, now we take the other number. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. Now what is the remainder? 1. So in this one 2 is not going, then we put a decimal point here. Whenever we take the decimal point, we take a 0, means 1 followed 0 is 10. 2 5s are 10. So what is the remainder? 0. So the percentage of 5 by 8 fraction is 62.5%. Okay, now this is the mixed fraction. So 1 4 by 5 means 1 plus 4 by 5. Okay, so we take the value of this, we add to this and into 100, that we can do, or directly we can do. We change the whole mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, so how to do? 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 5. This is one method. This is a bit lengthy method. So this is the direct method. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. 9 by 5. This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is big compared to the denominator number. Okay, so this is improper. If numerator is lesser compared to the denominator, that is proper fraction. Okay, so this is 9 by 5. This 9 by 5 for this 9 by 5 fraction, we want the percentage means into 100. So 5 is the multiple of 5 and 100 is the multiple of 5. So in these two numbers 5 will go. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 5 zeros are. 9 2s are 18. 180. So what is the percentage? 180%. Here also the same technique. This is the mixed fraction. 10 fours are 40. 40 plus 9. 49 by 10. 49 by 10. This 49 by 10 fraction percentage we want means into 100. 1 0 cancelled. So 49 into 10, 490%. 490%. This is the way of doing the problem. Whenever they are giving the fractions and asking convert the fraction into a percentage or write the percentage value of the given fraction, means this is the way of doing the problem. Just take the fraction into 100. So any cancellations are there, do the cancellation, you get the answer. So see the next problem here. See the next problem. Convert the following to decimals. So in here fraction is there, here 1% there, here 1%, here one mixed fraction is there. How to convert these all into decimals? So decimal means normal division. 3 by 4 means I am dividing 3 with 4. 3 with 4. Okay, using the calculator you can say easily, but better to learn with our own division. Okay, by doing the division better to know the answer. So always using the calculator is also not good, because we don't know how to do the calculation. So because of that, this is 3 is the lesser number compared to 4. Then start with 0 point. If it is the lesser number, you start 0 point. Decimal help you take. Then whenever we are taking the decimal, so we put a 0 here. Okay, so 4 how many times? 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder is 2. Already decimal is there. Then you can take one more 0 here. 4 fives are 20. So what is the decimal value of 3 by 4? 0.75. 0.75. Okay, this is 80%. This is in the percentage. Whenever we are seeing percentage, we should convert into a fraction, means just remove the percentage sign and divided by 100 you write. 80 by 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Okay, so 8 by 10 means what is the decimal value? 0.8. One decimal, 0.8. Okay, so 7% means 7 by 100. First we are converting the percentage into a fraction. So 7 by 100 means in the denominator we have 2 zeros, so 2 decimal points, 0.07. So this how to convert into decimal means first to change this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. 8 ones are 8 plus 7 how much? 15. 15 by 8. 15 by 8. Now we divide. So 15 and this is 8. How many times? 8 ones are 8. So remainder is 7. So take the help decimal point. Put a decimal point. Okay, one decimal point means 1 0. So 8 eights are 64. What is the remainder? 70 minus 64 means 6. Already decimal is there, so okay, you can take 0 here. So 8 sevens are 56. What is the remainder? 4. Already decimal is there, so you can take 0. Okay, so 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. Your remainder is 0. Your remainder is 0. Now what is the decimal value of this mixed fraction? Here means 1.875. 875. Okay, one more thing. Evaluate the following. How to evaluate? 25% of 80. 25% first you convert into a fraction. 25 by 100. The percentage symbol we remove and put divided by 100. Okay, of means into 80. This is the calculating part. Okay, this and this gets cancelled. 0 0. So here 10, here 25. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay. Next this 2 in 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. See how in what way I am doing the cancellations. Okay, simplification part. First 0 and 0 I got cancelled. Next 5 2s are 5 5s are. Next this 2 and 8 are the multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 5 4s are 20. This is the value. 25% of 80 means 20. 90% of 5 means 90 by 100 divided by 100. Off means into 5. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Okay. So 9 by 2. 9 by 2. If you divide, you will get 4.5. If you divide, you will get 4.5. Okay. So coming to the next problem, you see, coming to the next problem, that is 17% of 50. What is the value? 17 divided by 100 into 50. So directly can cancel. 51s are 52s are. Okay. So 17 by 2 I got. So this you should divide. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 1 is there. Take the decimal 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Remainder is 0. 17 by 2 means what is the value? 8 by 5. 17% of 50 means the value is 8.5. Next 7% of 250. First 7% we are converting into the fraction means 7 by 100 into 250. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay. No more cancellations because 7 5 both are not the multiples of 2. 7 5s are 35 by 2. If you divide like this, if you divide, you'll get 17.5 value. You'll get 17.5 value. What all the problems I am explaining, do it once again in your leisure time or in your okay, whatever the time you get, just you go through that once again, then you will get more and more easily how to do the problems. Okay. In a next problem, in a class of 30 students, 20% have black hair, 10% have blonde hair, 70% have brown hair. Calculate the number of students. Total students are 30. How many black hair students are there? How many blonde hair students are there? How many brown hair students are there? First bit, black. Number of black hair students means how many? 20% of, what is the percentage? 20% of 30. 20% of 30. 20% of 30 means 20 by 100 into 30. 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6. So number of black hair children are 6 members. Okay. Second bit, blonde hair students. Number of blonde hair students, 10% of total number 30. Okay. Means 10 by 100 into 30. 0 0 gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. Total 3. Blonde hair children's number is 3. Coming to C bit. What is that? Number of brown hair students. What is the number? Brown hair students. 70% of 30 students. Okay. Means 70 by 100 into 30. 0 0 gets cancelled. This 0 gets cancelled. 7 3s are 21. 21 students are having brown hair. See, if our problem is right or wrong, you can check. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. So total number of students are 30. Okay, our problem is right, correct. Okay, so now you see the next problem. A shopkeeper keeps a record of the number of items he sells in one day. Of the 150 items, total number is 150. He sold 46% were newspapers, 24% were pens, 12% were books, while the remaining 8% were other items. Calculate the number of each item he sold. Okay, total number is total number of items. Total number of items. Total number of items, how many? 150. Okay, so in those 46% were newspapers. Newspapers number we want. Newspapers. 46% of 150. Okay, so 46 by 100 into 150 into 150. 0 0 gets cancelled. Okay, so 10 and 15 are the multiples of 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 2 and 46 are the multiples of 2. So or 2 is the factor of 46. Anything. 2 can go. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So after the cancellation, 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 69 newspapers he sold. Okay, next 24% were pens. Number of pens, how many pens are there? Number of pens. 24% of total number 150. So 24 by 100 into 150. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 12 3s are 36. 36 pens he sold. 36 pens he sold. Okay, one more. Okay, so okay, here I have some space. Let me do the problem here. Okay, so next 12% were books. Number of books were 12%. Okay, so books, number of books is 12%. 12% of 150. Okay, 12 by 100 into 150. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 2 6 are. Totally how many books he sold? 6 3s are 18 books he sold. 18 books he sold. One more thing, the other items are others. Others are 18% of total number. Okay, so 18 by 100 into 150 into 150. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Okay, 2 9s are. So 9 3s are 27. 29 other items he sold. So if you add all the things, it should become 150. 27 plus 18 plus 36 plus 69. If you add, it should become 150. Okay, so this is the way of doing the problem. So percentages into fractions, or fractions into percentages, or the given percentage into decimals, or given fraction into decimals. If anytime they are asking the word based problem, so we should do the problem in this way. Okay, then you'll get the full marks in the examination. That's all for today. Tomorrow I'll continue.